Intuit is a 35-year-old startup. We're about 9,000 people in 8 countries around the world. We power prosperity through our products, TurboTax, QuickBooks, ProConnect, Mint. We have a diverse workforce from multiple generations, from multiple backgrounds, and they have different tools that they have grown accustomed to using.
When I arrived, we had a lot of teams that were solving their challenges locally. So one of my biggest challenges was to bring teams together and help them work across Intuit.
One of our philosophies is we want to provide best-of-breed tools to our workforce. It's important to be on an open platform, so as the nature of work evolves, we can make sure we're evolving the tool set to meet the needs of our employees. Box for G Suite has allowed us to enable our global workforce to pick the right tools for collaboration, but also have all the information in one place, so it's easy to find, it's easy to govern, and it's easy to manage.
The integration is really incredibly easy to use. I start in Box and I create a Google slide presentation. And my team can join me and edit in real time. Commenting is live. And then all the changes are saved back to Box, where we have all the security, compliance, and governance that we need.
We deal with very sensitive information for our customers. It's their financial lives. Box gives us visibility to how information is being used across the enterprise so that we can fulfill our promise of protecting the information of our customers. Before we started using Box for G Suite, we had content in multiple locations.
We had a lot of siloed solutions. People were still working locally and then emailing attachments and documents around. So that's where we were, and we've come a long way.
The trend of dispersed teams is only going to continue. Teammates are going to be distributed over time, over space, and they're going to need to be able to collaborate. Box for G Suite allows us to do that.